We've already looked at the chain rule, now we're going to look at the product rule, and the product rule, as the name suggests, we have a function that is made up of a product of two functions. So y is equal to g of x times f of x, and dy over x is equal to g dash of x f of x plus g of x f dash of x. Okay, so we essentially differentiate each of the functions one at a time and multiply it by the function. Let's look at an example. So if y is equal to x cubed multiplied by e to the 2x plus 1, then we identify that we have two functions, g of x is equal to x cubed. Doesn't matter what we call these functions, well, we can call it u and v, or h of x and whatever. And then g dash of x is equal to 3x squared. A little bit trickier by the chain rule that we did in the last video, is equal to the derivative of this part here, so that's just 2, and then e to 2x plus 1, and then by the chain rule, not by the chain rule, by the product rule, dy over dx is equal to 3x squared e to the 2x plus 1. That's this multiplication here, and then 2x cubed e to the 2x plus 1. And that comes from this multiplication here. That suffices as an answer, but say we're looking to find a stationary point, we would want to factorize this in some sort of useful way. So I would take out e to the 2x plus 1, that's common in both, and so is x squared, and then we would get 3 plus 2x in here. Alright, so that's our answer. The last rule we're going to look at in the next A-level maths video is the quotient rule, which, as you can guess, deals with functions in the form y of g of x. I will be able to write. That is fine. You can write it like that, but notation like this. Yes, I don't want to get confused with the rule the wrong way around. Obviously, for the product rule, it doesn't matter which way around the product. But we do different things. One way of dealing with these quotients is to just what f of x, but then choose h of x is equal to 1 over g of x, and apply the product rule to f of h, and y is equal to f of x, h of x. You can solve it that way, but there is also just an explicit rule, an explicit formula we can use, which we will look at in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did, show some support on the channel, subscribe to see all the future uploads. But for now, that is it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.